All right, here's a good question. It looks like I have a cylinder that has a certain pressure and temperature, and then the temperature changes, and they want to know what the new pressure is. Okay, so let's do our P1, V1, T1, N1, P2, V2, T2, N2. So my first pressure is 134 atmospheres. Volume, looks like the cylinder stays the same. Temperature starts at 23, so 273.15 plus 23, so it's 296.15. So 296.15 Kelvin. And then the new temperature is 475, so 475 plus 273.15. So I get 0.15814 748.15 Kelvin, and I want to know that. The number of moles, it looks like that nothing escaped, and so I'm all set up. So here's my formulas. Which one do I use? P1 V1 equals P2 V2, Boyle, Charles, Avogadro, N2. So I need one with pressure and temperature. Not there. Okay, this is a good example, and perhaps the question shouldn't be in this quiz, but this is another law. And there's another law that says that there's a relationship between the pressure and the temperature. And the pressure and the temperature, the relationship again is direct, just like these two. So Guy Lussac's law says pressure 1 divided by temperature 1 equals pressure 2 divided by temperature 2. So we'll use that formula. P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2, and I'm looking for P2. So P2 is P1 times T2 divided by T1. So pressure 1, 134 atmospheres, times temperature 2, 748.15, divided by temperature 1, 296.15 Kelvin. The Kelvins cancel. So let's do that on our calculator. So 134 times 748.15 divided by 296.15. And I'm getting second pressure 338.51798. Looks like I only have 2 sig figs there, so I could go to 2 sig figs. So I'd call that 340 atmospheres. Now I look in the question, and I don't see that anywhere. Interesting. I don't see that as any one of their options. Well, we did it right. That's our answer. 340 atmospheres. That's a whole lot of atmospheres. That's a crazy amount of pressure in that gas cylinder. And it'd be interesting to know what impact that would have on the cylinder. Would that cylinder be strong enough to withstand that pressure? Or would it start leaking or start bulging? Interesting.